Hello guys, this is Suhail here and welcome back to the series called Book Ideas where we tell you interesting ideas from more interesting books. And this lesson is from the book called The Secret of Leadership by Mr. Prakash Iyer. If you have to check out this book, the link will be there in the description. You can go and check it out from the link. It's an amazing book. It has a lot of different lessons through stories and very like current and relatable example, I can say. So now that being said, the today's lesson is about hope. It is said like until and unless there is hope, nothing is lost. And if hope is lost, everything is lost. So this story perfectly defines this saying that until and unless there is hope, nothing is lost. So this story is about a person called Mitchell. One day, like he was just riding a bike and his bike crashed into a truck. That crash instantly crushed his hips and hands. The truck's petrol got spilled on him, caught fire. He suffered with third-degree burns. After months of treatment, that treatment left him with a badly scarred face, no fingers in his both the hands, and very strange looking body, right? Like you have third-degree burns. There's all like scratches. Your hands and hips are crushed. Like anyone will tremble just in the thought of this in fear, right? So now this happened 6 months later. Michel founded a company, became a millionaire, and he became the mayor of his own town. Just as a hobby, he learned how to fly a plane. Now, like everything was going good and fine. Then disaster struck again. The small plane he was flying, crash landed somewhere. That crash landing left his 12 vertebrae crushed beyond repair, resulting which he was restricted to a wheelchair. Now, let me rewind it for you. He has no fingers in his hands. He is restricted to a wheelchair. He can't walk all his life. Any normal person would think, why me? Or what did I do to deserve it? Or like all those questions that usually will come into mind, right? But not him. Now he goes around the world talking to people and motivating them. He still runs his business. Now that big business has become a large enterprise. He still runs that. He has done skydiving and he lives life large size. Alright, that literally fits the way he lives. So now all these things done, and while giving his talks, he says, before my accident, there were maybe 10,000 things that I could have done. After my accident, instead of facing on the 1,000 things that I can't do now, I focus on the other 9,000 things that I can do. So, this is the biggest difference, that no matter what happens, no matter what you gain, what you lose, what tragedies or trauma you go through, there is always a glimmer of something good if you have that hope in your mind and heart. And literally, if that is lost, everything is lost. And this is the lesson, that whatever happens, no matter what tragedy strikes, just don't lose hope. And before I end this video, I would just like to share a small poem. That is there in the book itself. It is a very beautiful poem, and I would like to share 4 or 5 lines of it that I found very interesting and beautiful. So here it goes. When things go wrong, as they sometimes will, when the roads are trudging seems all uphill, when the funds are low and the debts are high, and you want to smile but you have to sigh. When care is pressing you down a bit, rest if you must, but don't you quit. So, until and unless you have hope, you won't quit, or that hope will not let you quit. And at that point of time, when you lose all hope, even if things are going well, you will just quit. So that is the lesson for today, guys. I hope you liked it. If you really liked it, give it a thumbs up, give it a like. If you think that someone is going through a really hard time, share this video with them, and subscribe if you haven't already. And please let us know what are the hard times you are going through, or you have gone through in the past, and how did you come out of it, so that someone else who is seeing and watching that comment or watching this video can get help in one way or the other from your comments as well. So this is Muhammad Suhail. Until next time, and we will get you more and more interesting videos and lessons. This is Muhammad Suhail. Until next time, signing off. Bye bye.